LuitBiz EAM Asset Management Software is a centralized asset management software that allows your organization to track important details about each asset and their rebuildable parts. This decreases administrative costs, improves service, and gives your organization greater visibility into asset utilization, costs, and maintenance. The intuitive user interface of LuitBiz EAM helps you get started within minutes of signing up. If that's not enough, what if I told you that each screen of LuitBiz EAM has audio and video guides? Yes, you heard it right. Anytime you have a problem using the software, you can refer to the audio or video guides. You can easily store and retrieve all the data about your assets and their parts in LuitBiz EAM. It's perfectly secure as only users with the right privileges can access this data. You can store information about your asset and service vendors, including data about all the transactions that you have had with them so far, as well as meeting minutes with their executives. You can issue assets to your employees and contractors and collect their signatures during issuing, as well as receiving the assets back from them. This feature helps track all the details about the complete lifecycle of the assets. The built-in QR code generator of LuitBiz EAM helps you generate QR codes for your assets that hold asset data, export them for printing, and help you track your assets using the QR codes. You can track the complete lifecycle of your assets and their parts, including their procurement, service, and maintenance data. Alerts regarding the services and preventive maintenance schedules are available right on the dashboard, making it easy to track and complete these tasks. With LuitBiz EAM, you can track the annual maintenance contracts and warranties of your assets and their parts, order spare parts, and retire assets or dispose them once they have reached their end of life. LuitBiz EAM automatically calculates the lifetime value of your assets and shows you their depreciated value based on their beginning book value, their expected lifetime, and the depreciation method chosen by you. This makes life a lot easier for your operations department. The asset, order, service, failure, task, and purchase reports of LuitBiz EAM lets you have customized reports about your assets that can be exported to CSV, Excel, or PDF formats, and can also be searched through. No need to maintain all these records and reports in long Excel sheets. LuitBiz EAM gets you covered on this. Best of all, you do not need to download any web or mobile apps to use LuitBiz EAM. It's completely responsive, and you can log into LuitBiz EAM using any device, computer, or mobile using a web browser. That's a long spiel on LuitBiz EAM. But believe me, you will never find a more easy-to-use yet powerful enterprise asset management system than LuitBiz EAM. But why would you believe me? You should sign up or request an online demo to see how it works. Go ahead and connect with us at LuitBiz.com.